So Enphase Energy surged 20+% for the month of February, rightfully so. You can see on the monthly chart where price has come from. We're talking about a price that was plus $300 and sank to a low of roughly $80. Now this white rectangle served as a support band, and you can see how it did hit and held once, twice, third time. However, the fourth time, again, the leg down, distribution, and I believe we are at levels where we are accumulating again. So if we go to the weekly chart, now you may not be able to see it, but we have the makings of a bullish reversal pattern in the form of a W. And typically, when you break the apex of the W, price tends to go higher, pulls back, and then you get the next leg higher. Now before we continue with the analysis, let's get some clues as to why prices bottom, why did price go up 20+% in February, and where might price head next. Alright, so again, shares of Enphase Energy soared 22% in February. The energy technology company's fourth quarter results helped power the surge in its stock price. While last year was a more challenging period for Enphase, it believes that the bottom is near. During the fourth quarter conference call, the CEO stated the following: "We think Q1 could be the bottom quarter." The CEO pointed out that there are early signs of recovery in Europe and that states outside of California should bounce back quickly. Despite that optimistic view, the company expects revenue to continue sliding. First quarter outlook puts revenue in the range of 260 to 300 million. However, the company sees an improvement coming in the second quarter, partly powered by pickup in demand in Europe. Now, even with last month's rally, shares of Enphase are down about 40% over the last year and 60% from its peak in late 2022. However, it still trades at a rather lofty 37.5 times forward PE, so it's still trading at a high valuation. That's a premium compared to the broader market, where the S&P 500 fetches more than 20 times its forward earnings, and the NASDAQ more than 30 times. Now, while Enphase isn't a bargain these days, its earnings have significant upside potential as market conditions recover in the near term. Meanwhile, it has a long growth runway ahead of it, capitalizes on accelerating demand for solar energy and battery storage. That growth potential makes the stock look like a compelling long-term investment opportunity. And I'm going to agree just based on where price was at the peak. Question is, where's price heading next, right? So again, we would love to see candle closes above the apex, get to that roughly $160 level, pull back, and then resume the uptrend. Let's look at things on the daily chart. So this is a sign that you do have a reversal. The last 3 out of 4 earnings, price dropped. This was in April. This was in July of last year. This was in October. And then you get an earnings in which price jumps, right? All right, so if March surge resembles February, then we can definitely see price continuing to break out. This $140 is key, but I think this is the projected path over the coming months for Enphase Energy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please like the video.